Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to show hidden files on a Mac. There's two different ways of doing it. There's the terminal route, which is a little more complex. It's not very complex at all, to be fair, but it's a bit more complex than the other method. The other method is the keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut is super simple. The only reason you may not want to use the keyboard shortcut, the main reason is if you're using a really old version of Mac, chances are you're not, but if you're using 10.12 or newer, you can use the keyboard shortcut. You can also use the terminal version as well. It is supported on all of them. So, stuff like Mojave, Sierra, Catalina. I'm on 10.15, which is Catalina. But if you want an older one, I'll show you the terminal method as well. So let me show you the terminal method first. I've got this folder open here, and I know there's a bunch of hidden files here. And if I open up terminal, and it doesn't matter where your terminal folder is navigated to, so you can have it already open. And if you want to know how to open terminal and you don't already have it here, literally, just you can just search for it. So terminal, there we go. Okay, so you just put defaults space right space com.apple.Finder. And Finder with a capital F at the start, and then you put AppleShowAllFiles with each letter of each word being capital, but it all bunched together. So like this. And then you put space true. Okay, true is just saying you want to show all hidden files. Click enter. And that's it. You might be thinking there's no hidden file shown. What you want to do is keep the Alt key pressed on your keyboard, also known as the Option key. So keep that pressed. Right click Finder, because if you don't do that, you won't get the relaunch option. So if you keep Alt key pressed, also known as the Option key, right click, and you can let go of it now once you actually right click. If I click relaunch, you'll close Finder down. Doesn't matter if you got a bunch of them open, it will reopen all of them. And there we go. We got all the hidden files. And we can disable this by just putting false, and there we go. And again, we just need to do the same thing, relaunch. Okay, so that's the keyboard method the terminal method. So the keyboard shortcut is really simple. All you have to do is press Command Shift and full stop. That's it, also known as period. So Command Shift full stop at the same time. There we go. And then if I want to disable it, it's as simple as that. So you don't have to relaunch the Finder. You don't have to write, this, which is pretty easy to make a mistake. Just do Command Shift, full stop, done, and then we can disable it as well. And I'm just having fun here. But yeah, that's it. That's how you show hidden files and folders on Mac. I've shown you both methods: the terminal method, which is universal, the keyboard shortcut method, which probably works on the vast majority of Macs out there. So I would recommend that one. It's really easy to use. But yeah, you got both methods in your wheelhouse now. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.